Hi, and welcome to my slow motion presentation of P and S waves. Remember, P waves and S waves occur when an earthquake happens. The P waves come out first, so right there we're looking at an S wave. The S waves are secondary waves. They do not go through liquids, so they're not going to go through the outer core of the earth. If you watch closely, the second wave I'm showing here, it's a shear wave, and it looks like a snake. So when an earthquake happens, the second wave is an S wave. Secondary waves do not go through liquids, so they're not going to go through the outer core of the earth, because the outer core of the earth is liquid iron. There's going to be a quiz this week on this. Now, a P wave is a primary wave, and a P wave is a compression wave. You're seeing one right here. P waves can go through solids, liquids, and gases. So when an earthquake happens, the primary wave, the P wave that occurs first, there's an S wave, that's a secondary wave. It cannot go through liquids. So there are two types of waves: P waves, primary. Primary waves occur first when there's an earthquake. And then right there I'm showing you an S wave, which is the secondary wave. Good luck.